In this lesson, we will see together les figures de style, but more precisely, we will see la syndette. So the first thing that we should define is les figures de style. What are we talking about? In the French language, as in any language, there are numerous figures of style, also known as figures de style or figures de rhétorique. These figures of speech are used to enhance the expressiveness, imagery, and impact of language in both spoken and written communication. These figures of style are used by writers and speakers to add depth, imagery, emphasis, and rhetorical flair to their language. And it makes their expressions more engaging and memorable. So this lesson is about la syndette. A syndeton is a rhetorical device that involves the omission of conjunctions between words or phrases in a list. It is used to create a sense of urgency, speed, or to emphasize each item in the list individually. A syndeton is often used in literature and rhetoric to convey a sense of excitement or to draw attention to each element in a series. So we will see some example of la syndette. Il marche, il court, il vole vers la victoire. Il marche, il court, il vole vers la victoire. Elle chante, elle danse, elle sourit avec bonheur. Elle chante, elle danse, elle sourit avec bonheur. J'aime nager, skier, escalader les montagnes. J'aime nager, skier, escalader les montagnes. Ils rient, ils jouent, ils vivent sans souci. Ils rient, ils jouent, ils vivent sans souci. Le soleil brille, les oiseaux chantent, la vie est belle. Le soleil brille, les oiseaux chantent, la vie est belle. Elle travaille dur, elle étudie intensément, elle réussit brillamment. Elle travaille dur, elle étudie intensément, elle réussit brillamment.